Hello, and welcome to a Math Minute, a quick how-to over a topic that's been troubling you. The topic for this video is how to find the inverse of a 2x2 matrix. So there's a formula for finding the inverse for a 2x2 matrix. It's worth noting that this is super specific to just the 2x2 matrix. So this formula is not going to work for square matrices that are larger than 2x2. All right, so just get that out of the way. So here's how the formula works. You've got this matrix A, B, C, D. We want to find the inverse. So you see this familiar inverse notation. The first thing is you have this scalar product to do. Product of this scalar times this matrix. The scalar itself has in it the computation for the determinant of this matrix. So you do need to know how to find the determinant, and we'll go over that real quick with this example problem. But you want 1 over the determinant, multiply it to the matrix where what you're going to do is take the numbers that are on the main diagonal, which are A and D, and you're just going to flip them places. Then you're going to take the numbers on the other diagonal, and you're going to keep them in the same place, but you're going to change their sign. Okay? So if they're positive numbers, make them negative. If they're negative, change them to positive. Okay, so let's see how that works down here on this example problem. We've got matrix A, we want to find A inverse. So first thing is I need to figure out the determinant of the matrix. Let's do that as kind of scratch work here. The determinant of matrix A is going to be the numbers on this diagonal, their product minus the product of that diagonal. So that's going to be 12 minus 6, which is 6. So I want 1/6 times, and then in the matrix I'm going to take the 4 and the 3 on the main diagonal, I'm going to switch them places. I'm going to take the 2 and the 3 on this diagonal, and I'm going to change their signs. Like so. Now all that's left to do is to take this scalar, this 1/6, and just distribute it inside the matrix. So the inverse of matrix A is going to be 1/6 times 3 is 1/2. 1/6 times -3 is -1/2. 1/6 times -2 is -1/3. And 1/6 times 4 is 2/3. Very common to get values within your inverse matrix that are fractions or decimals, just because we're going to be dealing with this scalar fraction out in front that's going to get distributed. So that's pretty normal to see that happen. All right, that'll do it for this Math Minute. If you found the content helpful, please give the video a thumbs up to support the channel. Thank you for watching.